On the 16th floor of the Hyatt Grand Central New York, there is the Commodore Lounge. You have access to this lounge if you are a globalist member or decide to pay $39 per night. This is just mostly a lounge for business or relaxing or just a space for you to hang out. There is an outdoor terrace that is closed for the season. It does look like this if you are able to use it. This is not a traditional club lounge that you might expect where you have a full buffet for breakfast, snacks, and then light hors d'oeuvres in the evening. This is simply a space to hang out, relax, do some work, and get more space outside of your room. It is $39 per day, like I mentioned. The hotel also comes with a $39 per day destination fee that gives you a $15 credit at the market, Wi-Fi, international calling, and some other discounts in the local area. The lounge does offer a light snack and different beverages ranging from coffees, teas, hot chocolate, soft drinks, beer, and wine. We'll bring you over to that section. You'll get a full picture of what you will get if you are a globalist member and have access to this, or decide to pay $39 per night to have access to this Commodore Lounge. You do have access to beer and wine, but you do have to pay for it. You'll be filling out a form and it'll be a room charge for the end bill once you check out.